a pot, some extra string rope from the dollar store, and I just decided to get creative and make a rope plant hanger. I made one the other day and I'm going to test myself to see if I can do it again. But yeah, I found these little pots and been replanting and propagating more plant friends here. So I guess I'm just gonna start, and I want to make 4 even pieces, so I'm going to get this. I hope I remember how to do it. So I'm going to cut this into 2 pieces first. And I'm going to put all the ends together, and I have this nice loop. So I'm going to try this little wrapping knot thing, but maybe like this. So basically I'm going to wrap it and then I'm going to tie it on itself. I think that's how this works. And then I'm going to put it through this loop. And when you loop it, I think you pull this. Yeah, you pull it, and then it makes it go inside, and you make a knot. So it does that, and I think that's where I'm going to use that as the hanger, and then you can just cut this. So that's going to be my hanger. I have to remember how to do this. I'm just going to do just a regular old knot. So I'm putting 2 pieces together. Oops, sorry, plant. Oh, I don't think I did this right. I think I need 8 pieces. Do over. Okay, hope that's right. Okay, this is going to be way short now. I think I messed up. So it is 4 pieces of rope folded in half. So you have 8 pieces to tie. You can use a tack or tape to hold it down, and then you just make a knot on itself. So I had the first row of 2 done, and then I'm going to take one from each set of knots and then knot those together. And I'm going to do the same here. So the next 2 will be right next to this. My mom used to have the fancy macrame hanging. Actually, she still does. But this is not going to look like that. The next knot I'm going to do right here, just below. I'm just trying to keep them in line. I really think this is going to be a much shorter rope hanger. So I think I'm going to just tie this off. Okay. New solution. I have this kind of twine. This is so not going to fit. Okay. Gonna have to design. Oh my gosh. We changed it to brown twine. Now I think we will also change the plant. This will be a cute gift. That's it.